where in Gujarat, in Ahmedabad, Junior Doctor Association have said that out of 20 students of the BJ Medical College who were admitted in the hospital, 11 students have been discharged and 4 students have died. All right, that's a death toll update that we are fetching of the unfortunate crash where in a tragic accident, the medical college students were also among the ones who have lost their life. 11 have discharged, but unfortunately 4 have lost their lives, Anand. As hospital gives out the information, what is the confirmation on the total number of deceased from the hospital, which includes most of the medical students who were just having their lunch during that time?
Yeah, Simran, just moments ago we showed you the footage of the hostel from a rooftop, that how it was severely damaged in the air crash that happened on Thursday afternoon. And at the time of the crash, several of the intern doctors were having lunch in their Atulyam BJ Medical College hostel over there. So the time when they were having lunch, it was said that there were around 70 intern doctors who were there, and now the BJ Medical College has issued the junior resident doctors have also revealed the number that 4 students of the college have died in this tragic air crash, whereas 11 of them are injured and they were admitted in the hospital, clearly at the civil hospital over here. So clearly their treatment is going on and they will be discharged soon in the coming days after giving them proper treatment. Whereas if we talk about the treatment facilities that have been taken up at the civil hospital over here, the state government has ensured that all of the senior doctors are available at this point of time in the hospital to provide proper care to all the injured who have been taken from the crash site or the area near the crash site, and they are injured. They are also, even we came to know from the Gujarat government yesterday that how several 30 people were there who were injured, out of which 11 were discharged yesterday, and several more will be discharged in a day or two after providing them treatment. So clearly the official number have not been revealed by the Gujarat government that how many people have died in this tragic air crash, whereas as per sources that we have learnt, the toll can go higher than 300, but most of the senior officials they are tight-lipped and they are saying that the toll is around 265 who have died in this one of the deadliest air crash. Back to you, Simran.